Hello there. So today I'll be showing you how I made this. Enjoy. So here I was just showing my IT students the basic principles of tonal variation or value scale, if you will. Then I started telling him how to lay down basic strokes in hatching because this particular work is going to be done in hatching. Some little details will be there, but it's basically hatching. So I told him to look at the way I was going about it and how I was dropping the first layer and building upon it, basically. Here you can see me actually showing him the value scale and trying to show him from the dark to light and the in-betweens, how to differentiate them, basically chiaroscuro. Yeah. The truth is, until you understand how these shades, the tones work together within themselves, the darks, the light, and everything, you really are going to have issues shading because it doesn't matter what medium you're using. It really the same principle. It's really the same principle. You just need to understand value. So that's why it's value scale. You need to understand that there is light, there is dark, there is in between or middle tone, whatever, right? But you just need to understand the concept. If not, it's going to be very difficult for you. You just keep building. What you just keep doing is you just keep building the hatching lines in one direction over and over again. The more you go, the more blended they appear. And yeah, if you want to actually go into photorealism with this, you can actually keep pushing, but it's one layer at a time. So that's where it is. So at this stage, I think even before this stage, I'd started already adding details to prove, to accentuate the features, the eyes, the nostrils, all those kinds of things. So the more you keep going, just like you've seen over, if you've been following, it's the more I just add more layers over it and try as much as possible to glide it a little bit. It just blends with itself like that, with exchanging pressure and all of that. It just helps. And yeah, basically what you've just seen from the beginning to this point is what you keep doing until you finish to the desired level of detail. That's really all that it is about this. And yeah, it's beautiful draw with pencil again. Now is the time when I tell you that whatever it is that you want to do, no matter what you want to specialize in, painting, drawing, with biros, with oils, with whatever it is you want to do your art with, I would suggest that you really start with pencil. Go back to the pencils, understand how pencil works. Pencils are actually very forgiving, so they stretch you a little bit with possibilities of what you can do with tones, unlike ballpoint pen. And yeah, but if you just understand how the pencil works, the tones and all of that, when you come to painting, what you just really need to do is just to understand colors and how they blend. Depending on your style, you may not have to learn a lot of colors blending with themselves and all of that, but the very basic, the ABC of shading and painting is understanding how the pencil works. Once you understand how the pencil works, you can learn anything from there. So if you've been following this tutorial and this channel, I've been trying my best to see how I bring value to you guys and all. So please try to subscribe if you've not subscribed. Turn on the notification button so that it lets you know whenever I post something. And yeah, keep sharing, keep commenting, you know. Tell me what you guys want me to do. I will look into the comments and try to do them. Yeah.